ESPN. Boxing. Storm versus Blizzard. Oh, she's got some good attacks there. Holy shit. Oh. We can't miss this action. We can't bear to miss this action. Oh, and the fight's over. Storm wins. Now let's get an interview from the fighters. Well, how's it feel to win the fight? Bark, 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 bark. He's a little bitch. Bark, bark. How does it feel to win? How does that?
Back in.
Jesus. Innocent. And this was the arena they were fighting in. The backyard. There's the loser. Come here. Give me some puppy. No, give me some puppy. Yeah, that's it. Puppy nose. And here's the winner. Yeah, puppy. Like.